Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this recipe I am making a very tasty and juicy oven roast fish stuffed with okra and callaloo and lots of wonderful veggies. If you want to see how I do this oven roast fish, stay tuned starting now. So I have this 2.5 pound snapper. I have gutted it, scaled it, removed all the fins and washed it with some lime and vinegar. Now I'm going ahead to score it to allow the season to seep in these crevices. So I'm going ahead now to use my homemade fish seasoning, which is made of salt, black pepper and allspice. I'm just getting this all into the crevice to allow the fish to soak up all this flavor, and the fish is gonna be so flavorful. While this marinates, I'm gonna make the stuffing for the fish, and to do so I'm using some chopped onions, some okras, chopped bell peppers, hot pepper, chopped garlic, tomatoes, fresh thyme, carrots and some chopped callaloo. You can also use the canned callaloo instead if you don't have fresh callaloo. So in this pan on medium heat I have some coconut oil, and this is where I'll be cooking up the stuffing for my oven roast fish. So I'll be adding all the veggies to this pan. Now I've added the carrots and I'm adding the onions, just giving it a quick stir with some fresh chopped garlic. And now I've added the chopped okras, and I am doing this basically on high heat. Now I've added the bell peppers, the fresh thyme, the tomatoes, and I'm just gonna stir fry this. I am doing it on high heat because I don't want the veggies to sag. I'm adding some cock soup just for the flavor, not the noodles, just the seasoning, and I've added the freshly chopped callaloo. I'm adding some butter for extra flavor. Butter makes it better, and I'm just giving this a little stir. You can add salt to taste. And here the veggies are coming together nicely. Now you can see that it's ready. Now I am adding some butter to this sheet of file paper. I have made it big enough to hold this size fish, and I'm just covering up this with some butter, and it's gonna give the fish a nice buttery smooth flavor. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you can continue to receive more delicious recipes like these. I thank you so much. So all I am doing here is now to add the stuffing that I prepared on the stove top to the fish, and I've added some butter to make it extra flavorful. And on top of that I'm going ahead to add some onions, some bell pepper. I'm adding some of the tomatoes, some spring onions, some okras. I'm adding some chopped carrots, finely chopped. Adding some hot pepper, some fresh thyme. So basically I've saved back some of the veggies that I had used to cook the stuffing, and I've just added some on the fish for extra flavor and to make it look so appetizing. So now I am wrapping the fish in 2 sheets of file paper and get it ready for the oven. If you would like to continue to receive more delicious recipes like these, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified when we drop these videos. So now I'm gonna put the fish in the oven, which has been preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's gonna roast for about 45 minutes or whenever it is ready, because this is a bigger size fish. So So now I've checked in on the fish and I've removed it from the oven because it is now ready after around 45 minutes. Now look how beautiful this is. All the veggies are perfectly cooked. All this juice is so delicious, so tasty, from the butter, the hot scotch bonnet pepper, the allspice. Everything just tastes and looks so delicious. Now this is something you can have all on its own, any time of the day, any time of the week. So absolutely tasty and healthy and delicious. I thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, also subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.